Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to show you amazing machines that operate at insane levels. But before we move on, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Belaz has made a remarkable mining dump truck with a payload capacity of 450 metric tons. These are designed for transportation of rocks in severe mining conditions, of deep open pit mines, at open cast mining of mineral deposits on technological haul roads under various climatic operating conditions, especially at ambient and extreme temperatures of -50 to +50 degrees Celsius. These trucks can be used in the construction of large industrial structures and hydraulic facilities, in the construction of highway systems, as well as in technical departments of the enterprises of the processing industry. Belaz trucks contain a conventional suspension for the front and rear wheels. Cylinders are pneumo-hydraulic, with inbuilt hydraulic dampers, 2 cylinders on the front axle and the rear axle. Slurry mixers are the ideal solution when floating layers have to be stirred up quickly and cost-effectively, or when you can no longer get anywhere with your own mixing technology. They distribute the material homogeneously in the fermenter so that the microorganisms can use their food optimally, an essential requirement for a high gas yield. The powerful agitators on extremely movable arms with a range of up to 37 meters and an action radius of 370 degrees enables you to stir the mass effectively even under challenging conditions. Floating layers, feed sticks, or sinking layers are mixed in quickly and thoroughly. Boskalis have designed a new cutter suction dredger equipped with a rotating cutter head. Generally, dredging is done for excavating material from water for different purposes. The cutter suction dredger is positioned on spuds and anchor wires during dredging operations. It is suitable for dredging silt, sand, clay, and rock. The dredged material is usually sucked up by a wear-resistant centrifugal pump and discharged either through a pipeline or to a barge. The Royal Mckean H32 is a self-climbing placing boom. It has a ZR-type folding system with 4 sections, and also a 32-meter boom length and 4-meter end hose. This machine can be mounted to the building with a cross base at the foundation level, or with the floor frames after a certain floor height. As the building rises, the machine is increased with the help of hydraulic climbing systems. These kinds of devices are mostly preferred at the shopping mall, hotel, and hospital construction projects. A famous company, DAMEN, developed a versatile cutter suction dredger that is used to create a new port. The dredger is cutting sand loose from the bottom using its cutter head and pumping it through a pipeline using its dredging pump. A Caterpillar diesel of 954 kilowatts drives this dredge pump. The max dredging depth is 14 meters. The suction dredger is also used for river maintenance dredging, keeping the sandbanks in check. It can also be disassembled easily to be transported by road or rail to another dredging job. Or the dredger is towed to its new job site using the inland river infrastructure. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.